Hello friends! Today I'm going to share with you an excellent recipe for a natural deodorant. And if your skin is especially sensitive to the conventional deodorants and products that are sold, then this recipe is going to be great for you. Before we start with the recipe though, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell for receiving notifications for every video that we publish. We have a lot of new videos coming and I hope you enjoy them. So for this recipe you will need 3 very simple ingredients. First of all, we need tapioca starch. Tapioca starch can be also substituted with cornstarch, but if you use cornstarch, make sure that you're using non-GMO cornstarch. We want to be gentle to our bodies, so the better products we're using, the better we will feel. We are going to use tapioca starch in our recipe because it is going to serve as absorbent of the extra moisture. The next ingredient we will need is soda bicarbonate, and please make sure to use aluminum and gluten-free one if you're allergic to gluten, of course, because aluminum is actually a heavy metal and anything that we apply on the skin goes directly in our bloodstream, so we don't want to put heavy metals in our bloodstream. And the third very simple ingredient that we're going to use today is going to be coconut oil. For this recipe we need the coconut oil to be melted beforehand, and of course I recommend to use extra virgin coconut oil, again to make sure that we are using the best ingredients for ourselves. So here are the measurements. We are going to use 2 parts of tapioca starch and 1 part of soda bicarbonate. We are going to use this ratio because if your skin is sensitive, then soda bicarbonate can actually irritate your skin. And this is the exact proportion I use myself because I am quite sensitive, and the soda is actually alkaline as our skin is acidic, and this is what causes the irritation. After you mix these 2 ingredients very well, start adding the coconut oil to the powders, not the other way around, because this will make it much more easier to figure out what exact amount of coconut oil you will need. You want to add coconut oil until you reach the consistency of a paste, which is not very thick. Keep in mind that if you live in a cold climate, this will harden afterwards. So the more coconut oil you have, the easier will be to use this. In the end, you can add a few drops of essential oil. I like to use Palmarosa essential oil because it's very fragrant and the smell tends to stay and is lasting for a very long moment. But you can use the one that you love the most. I prefer to keep this deodorant in a glass container because plastic tends to leach a lot in oils. So this is our recipe today. I hope you enjoy it and we will see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.